This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default browser on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To change your default browser, the first thing you want to do is open up your device's settings. I'm going to go to Settings here. I'm going to tap on it. Then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, down to where you see Apps, and tap on Apps. Then right up top here, Default Apps. You want to tap on Default Apps. And then you'll scroll down just a little ways, and right here is Browser App. You tap on Browser App. And then you can choose between any one of your browsers that you have installed on your device. I have all these browsers installed. Say that I wanted to change mine from Edge to Firefox. I'm going to tap on Firefox. And that's it. Now I can go back. And now, as you can see, my default app is Firefox. That is how to change your default browser in an iPhone. Thanks for watching.